Best trick scooter for beginners, Indo review. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the Indo scooters. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special promos or special discounts if you're going to purchase some scooters right here from Indo. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So yeah, so here are the reviews right here from Indo. So a lot of people saying that it's perfect, and this one right here, Jarmo said that overall it's very good. We have another one right here from Melissa. Assembly required, but it wasn't difficult. My son loves it. Here you go. We have another one from Jen. My 13-year-old son loves playing on this trampoline with this INDO Trick Scooter. He put it together by himself originally, although I did have to help him tighten out the handlebars after a few days of playing with it. Great purchase, thanks. So yeah, great for any fearless youngster. My son is 10 and loves this thing. Definitely helps with energy and exercise while getting sun vitamin D. At the same time, along with fresh air, perfect summer and fall activity. So yeah, Indo right here's a lot of good reviews right there for their trick scooters. So yeah, make sure to check this out. So yeah, so here's some of the products right here that Indo has to offer. Again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, so here are some of its scooters right here, like the Indo Fusion, which is 119 euros. The Indo Kickstart Neon, which is 89.90 euros. The trampoline scooter for 79.90 euros. The Indo Pro V2 for 129.90 euros. And a lot more. So make sure to check all these out. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special promos, special discounts if you're going to purchase products right here from Indo. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.